Foraging foxes are indeed remarkable creatures that showcase the adaptability and resilience inherent in nature. These small carnivorous mammals belong to the Canidae family and are found across various habitats, from arid deserts to lush forests, demonstrating their incredible ability to adapt to different environments. Opportunistic feeding habits. Foxes are known for their opportunistic feeding behavior, which allows them to thrive in diverse ecosystems. Their diet is varied, consisting of small mammals, birds, insects, fruits, and even carrion. This omnivorous diet enables them to find sustenance in a wide range of habitats and fluctuating food availability. Impressive hunting strategies. Foxes employ a range of hunting techniques that make them efficient predators. They use their keen senses of hearing, smell, and sight to locate prey, and their agile bodies enable them to pursue and capture their quarry. The iconic mousing leap, where a fox jumps high in the air and pounces on its prey, is a testament to their hunting prowess. Important role in the ecosystem. Foxes play a crucial role in maintaining balance in their ecosystems. As predators, they help control the populations of small mammals and rodents, preventing overpopulation and maintaining healthy biodiversity. Additionally, their consumption of insects and carrion helps to reduce the spread of diseases and parasites. Conservation and appreciation. Understanding and appreciating the significance of foxes in the natural world is essential for their conservation. Habitat loss, hunting, and human encroachment threaten fox populations worldwide. By raising awareness about these intelligent animals, we can work to protect their habitats and ensure their survival. Initiatives such as habitat restoration, wildlife corridors, and educational programs can help foster coexistence between humans and foxes. In conclusion, foraging foxes are a symbol of the adaptability and resilience of nature's creatures. Their opportunistic feeding habits, impressive hunting strategies, and critical role in ecosystems make them fascinating subjects for wildlife enthusiasts and conservationists. By appreciating and understanding these remarkable animals, we can contribute to their preservation and promote a diverse and thriving natural world.